delicious Lao Chicken Stew. I'm your host Harris Pianabong, and this is Cooking with Mr. International. On today's episode, we're going to be making អកไก่ Alright guys, let's get started. First, you're going to need half a cup of chopped lemongrass, followed by your desired amount of chili pepper. Next, 1 cup of soaked sticky rice, KAFFIR, 2 pieces of galangal, 6 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, and a half a cup of minced shallots. Combine all the ingredients using a pestle and mortar. If you don't have one, using a blender would work just fine. It should come out looking just like this. Now let's set this aside and work on the next step. Add oil to pan and bring the heat to high. Next, let's go ahead and add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Next, add 1 whole, bite-sized chopped chicken hen. In Lao, we call this Kaeng. Now go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of chicken powder mix, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and followed by 1 teaspoon of monosodium glutamate. Stir occasionally for the next 5 minutes. Now go ahead and add the KAFFIR from earlier. This is going to help thicken the stew. Go ahead and gently stir occasionally for the next 1 or 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead and transfer this into a boiling pot. Now go ahead and add 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of PADEK fermented fish sauce, 1 cup of sliced Asian eggplant, three cups of chopped Chinese broccoli, gailan, 3 cups of chopped 1-inch sliced green onions, and lastly, 3 cups of dill. In Lao we call this paksi. Give it a stir for the next 2 or 3 minutes and voila! We are done guys. Lao Chicken Stew ออกไก่ มาเด้อมากินน้ำกันเด้อ Who's got the sticky rice? Let's eat.